Familia ya mwenzangu Honorable Serem Gachagua ikafadana, Deputy President, Your Excellency, the Ex-President of the Republic of Kenya, wenzangu viongozi wako hapa na mimi, na pia kanisa takatifu ya Katoliki who are also here. Nataka kusema hivi, I have today been told that the Law Society of Kenya has filed a petition to dissolve Parliament because it has failed to meet the 2/3 gender rule. And I agree with them, because women's issues are human rights issues. We cannot allow an unconstitutional Parliament to preside over constitutional issues. When you tell us that you want to amend the Constitution through BBI, how do you amend a constitution that you have not even followed in the first place? What guarantee do we have that you will actually follow whatever new constitution is coming our way? I want to assure that the women of Kenya are going to agree with it. But I know, because the people of Kenya believe in observing the constitution, it shall carry the day and those amendments shall be made. I want to say, nataka kusema nikimalizia, asanteni sana nigavaldai ongoi amami wakati magimwa itunje chang lakini kanyige mwapole ageni tugul agitige tese kenamog insaye ongoi na Mungu awabariki.